Hi there, Serial Trader here. Just want to do a quick update on Bitcoin, and I was going to look at Ethereum as well, being the next largest player in the game. But given that it basically looks almost identical as far as the pattern off the recent high, I'll just cover Bitcoin, and that really should apply quite nicely to what's going on in Ethereum as well. Okay, so with that in mind, I think from our most recent high, now in the last video, just a little backtracking here. I was anticipating some sort of top and then at the very least a pullback. And it looks like all it is just a relatively minor pullback, a minor for Bitcoin at least, and not that larger degree wave 4 that could last months potentially. I don't think we're at that stage yet given the recent price action. So I think we've actually set up a nice little pattern, probably up to higher highs pretty soon here. So let's just go through that. So from the recent top here at, what was that, 58,000 and change, looks like we got an ABC down for a W, ABC up for an X, then another ABC down for possibly a wave Y of a double zigzag. And, well, hang on, double zigzag. And from that wave Y termination point, looks like we have something impulsive starting here, so I just tentatively label it here as initial 1 up, 2 down, and then perhaps another 1, 2 in development here. And that would be just kind of the subdivisions, the 1, 2 of this larger 3, for instance, like this. So that's what I currently see establishing itself here. And so far, so good. Now, as far as upside targets, let me just, so I've done a reverse extension of this overall pattern. So that'll bring us first target up to around 64,000. Second target would be, 73,000 and change. And, often these targets are exceeded, especially Bitcoin has a habit of exceeding them. But just some realistic targets, just based on the recent price action, to look up towards. And again, so far so good. This is looking nice as far as an uptrend reestablishing. But I will just remove some things here and play devil's advocate. So if we're not done making new lows, which currently there's no reason to think that, this looks quite nice, working its way higher. But if we're not, then I think we would just simply relabel this as a triple zigzag, which again is rare, which makes it less likely. But we've certainly seen triple zigzags before, and that's where we would have a W, X, Y, and this would be another X, and then one more time down in Z. And let me just get rid of that trend channel. Drop the degree down here. Oh, actually, no, that's fine. Minor. And in this case, this most recent move up we've had here would just be another ABC up. Certainly possible. Although I don't think there's any reason to lean on this interpretation, which would call for some lower lows. Overall, it would still be corrective and lead to new highs later, but this would be one where we have to go make new lows first. Currently not looking that likely. Where would it look more likely, though? I mean, ideally, if we go on the hourly here, ideally this little 1, 2 holds nicely. But I would say right here, this level here, let's call it around 47,000. That would be concerning to see 47,000 give away, because then it would give this a distinctive 3-wave look as far as a 3-wave rally, which would imply another wave down, right? But if we can continue establishing, as it looks like we're currently establishing, our nice impulsive look, our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, if we can continue on this track, and continue to get nice impulsive and corrective subdivisions to the upside, then I wouldn't worry about that alternate where we have to go down one more time. But just food for thought, just in case we do unexpectedly turn down, take out that 47 area, then I think we are going to potentially go down for that triple zigzag. But currently, just to reiterate, currently no reason to believe that other than the fact that, it's a potential pattern until proven otherwise, right? Okay, and again, just to repeat, this looks almost identical on Ethereum. So everything I just said about Bitcoin here very much applies to Ethereum at the moment. Almost identical to patterns as far as the corrective move off the top and also the action from the bottom to the upside. They almost look like mirror images at this point. Very minor differences, but there you go. All right, Serial Trader signing off.